Hello and welcome to Lessonzilla. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Python on your Windows 10 machine. Now, if you have a Windows 11 machine, the core steps that I'm showing here should be applicable for Windows 11 as well. Let's go ahead and see how it is done. First of all, we need to download Python executable file. Now, I'm going to open up my web browser and go to python.org. This is the official website of Python. Once you're here, look for the Downloads tab and click on it. In here, you will see the latest version. At the time of recording this video, the version is 3.11.1, but in case if you want to download an older version of Python, in here, if you scroll down, there will be a list of older versions and you can simply click the download button next to the appropriate version that you need, and it should download that respective Python version. Now for this video, I'm simply going to download the latest version, so I'm going to click this download button here. It has been downloaded. I'm going to click on the downloaded file. Now once you click on it, you will be presented with this window. We're going to click on Customize Installation, and here all the default settings are selected, so just leave these settings as it is and click on the next button. In here, if you want to install Python 3.11 in this case for all users who are using that particular machine, you can click to enable that feature. And the next most important feature here is to enable this setting here, add Python to environment variables. Now what this does is this enables you to use your command line tool in Windows to run Python commands. So I'm going to enable this feature, and that's all we have to do. And I'm going to click install button and click yes to the prompt, and this should install Python. Now this process can take about 2 to 3 minutes, so I'm going to pause this video, and once it's completed, I'll be back. Python has been installed successfully. As you can see, the notification is on the screen. Now, one thing that you could do is disable path length limit as well, if this is something that's important to you. By default, Windows has a character limit on file paths, but with Python, you may have to disable this feature with certain scenarios. So if you want to disable path length limit, you can click on this option here and it will do the job for you. For this tutorial, I'm just going to leave this setting as it is, and I'm going to go ahead and click close button here, and that basically ends the whole process. Now I'm going to show you a couple of things so you can verify whether Python has been installed successfully in your machine. I'm going to open up command prompt as administrator, and I'm going to type the word Python. Now if Python is installed in your system, this should give us an output stating the Python version. So I'm going to type the word Python and hit enter. As you can see here, it shows the version that we've just installed, which means Python has been installed in this machine or in this system successfully. Now I'm going to quickly show you a way to confirm if the environment variable or the path for Python has been added to Windows as well. So in order to do that, click on your start icon or your search bar and type the word advanced settings. We're basically looking for this one here, view advanced system settings in the control panel. Click on that, make sure advanced tab is selected, click on environment variables and click on path. And once you're there, scroll down till you find path, just double click on it, and in here it will show you all the environment variables that you have got in your system. As you can see, Python is already included because we selected this setting in the advanced options during the installation. So everything looks good, and that's the end of the process. I hope this video helped you in some way. If it did, please give this a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.